Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by and visiting my channel. Today I've got a Power Up Pack subscription box from a company called Demize Collectibles. Now this website, they've got a lot of like geeky stuff, Funko Pops, I don't like toy things, just geeky stuff really. They do a lot of themed boxes like horror, 80s, 90s, a few others. I have actually got one of those. I will be doing the video of the horror box, but today this one is the Power Up Pack, which is their monthly subscription. Now this only costs £11.99 a month, and it's about, I think, £3 or £4 on top of the postage. So I mean, for 12 quid, it's quite a okay sized box. I have no idea what's in it because I've not looked inside yet. But yep, let's just see what we get for our £11.99. This is the March box. It's a monthly one. Or you can just get them like every now and then. Okay, so contents aren't really giving much away. Can't really see much in there at the moment. Kind of like that. And as always, I'm just going to pull everything out and see what we've got. Okay, who's that? Is that Brad Pitt? Okay. We've got a, what looks like a picture. It's like Brad Pitt, I think. And we've also got, looks like a patch of some sort. Just open this up. By the way, this is the website on the back. It's demize.co.uk. Of course, I'll put the link below. So, yeah, I think it's like a maybe a patch which you can maybe put on clothes. And then there is a print. It's quite it's a tip. Oh yeah, that's, oh no, that's just like the backing one. So there's that. I'm not sure what film that's from. It says Redwood original. It's got Sons wrote there, so I don't know. Is that from? I have no idea. But yeah, there is that. And then, oh okay. You've got a Marvel comic here. Guessing that's Spider-Man. Is it a comic or is it a poster? I'm not too sure. Ah, little comic. It says here, live among us, beware clandestine. And then show you the inside. Like comic stuff there. Different things in there. What's that got? Yep, it says 7th of April on that, and it's an American comic. It's actually got $2.50 wrote on it. Just an insert again. So there's that. There's like a little, like a sticker thing there. Ah, a little pin badge. It says on it, arcade, game over. That's quite cute actually. And then we have, like an extra life token. I don't know what that's off. And then we've got this like keyring again. I've no idea what that's off either. And then finally we've got a t-shirt as well. Let's have a look what we've got. Oh wow. It's it, and it says, as you can see, we all float down here. I actually like that one. And you obviously you get to pick what t-shirt size you want to. So I'm just guessing by the boat that keyring actually looked like a little. It is as well, yeah. It's actually the same thing that's on the t-shirt. The little floaty boat. Oh, it's pretty cool. I think the t-shirt's definitely done it for me. Oh yeah, there's a t-shirt, and it's like a little Ready Player One. Is that a sticker? A little pin, keyring, and the picture. The I think that's Sons of Anarchy. It's got to be. It's not really something I watch, but yeah, I'm sure it is. And the comic, which that one. It's actually got something like Candyman in it too. I'm not sure what that is. It's just about the film. Is that no? I'm thinking it says it's April on it, but I'm wondering, is that an old comic or a new one? I haven't got a clue. Maybe my son will know. Right, so that's everything anyway. So I mean, for $11.99, it's not a bad box at all. And I'll put all the details below. And please look out for my horror box unboxing from the same company, which will probably be my next video. As always, thank you for watching, and bye for now.